Good morning, welcome back to a new video. I buy and sell the Creuset. This channel is all about the buying, the selling, the cleaning, just anything generally reseller related. But today we've got some new bits to add to the stockpile. So let's switch the camera around, unbox and see what it is that we've got. So let's dive in. Several parcels to get through. Again, mixture from vintage and obviously some will come off eBay as well. So let's start opening up and see what it is we've got, what it's cost roughly, what we can get it for, the condition, and whether they can be included in any sets as well. Sometimes I come across a few bits and bobs which I'll keep aside and build up coloured sets. So I've currently got a yellow, got a white, blue. I think I've got a blue set. So I need to get a teal set back together. I need to get a orange set back together. That's a must one, and a red again. Keep them aside. Take a lot longer to sell, but it's sort of a complete sort of thing. So the first one is this like hazelnut or the light brown casserole dish. So oval. A bit of a state. This is the one that I pictured, put on Instagram of like the before and after. So a size D in today's sizing charts, that would be a 27. But as you can see from the condition, really well used. The inside is quite clean, so I'm not sure how or where this has been cooked with, but it came up really nice. I'll add pictures once I've done all this to see what it is and what it's gone from, and obviously what it's gone to. But that wasn't overly expensive. The second box we've got, just a small thing this time. Oh, this isn't for resale. This is something bought. This is for personal use. It's an egg holder. It's cast iron, so it's still quite weighty considering there's hardly anything to it. But it's just black. I'll show you it anyway. Just a black egg holder. Put it on the side, rather than obviously leaving your eggs in the fridge. But cool little thing. Clean it up still. It's obviously got just a little bit of someone else's bits and bobs all over it, but clean it up and they look nice. So our third item, the fact that it's bulged at the top tells us that's where the knob is, which is never overly reassuring. If it took any impact from the top, it could have either broke the lid or it smashes the knob. But this one again is another casserole dish. So this would have been an eBay purchase, I think. And obviously just the one bit of wrapping around it, which isn't the best. It's not the way to do it. I've got a video on how to pack things properly, and that's not how it is done. But this is a twice size, 27 again. So same as the previous one. Inside is not too bad. The exterior isn't horrendous either, really. Both will just do with a little jazz up, just to get them back to looking a bit fresher, but not too much work will have to be involved in those. So obviously you take the lid off, you take the knob off, you clean everything separately, and obviously bring it back together for when the item's photoed, and then obviously pack it away for storage. So this is more like it. Feels like it's packed a lot better, it looks like it's packed a lot better. And then they've obviously used, I'm guessing they bought a new casserole dish and then used the box. Get that quite often, which is good because it means the items fit in it perfectly, and you tend to get all the packaging, protective packaging with it, which is nice. But a John Lewis, so someone's splashed out a little bit. But this will be, I just caught myself there with a knife, a bit of a casserole themed video with this one. I've not had too many saucepans for a while, especially not sets. I used to get quite a few, especially sets of 3 and 5, but not too many have popped up lately. If they have, they've been damaged. You always get 3 and then 2 of them are broke, so not really worth it in a minute. I know that I've seen anyway. So the fourth item, it's a large one. So this is a size 28 round casserole dish in the nice teal colour. And there's all the proper packaging. Use that on the when this sells or another one. But real nice teal colour. Nice big size, well, good family size. All intact. Inside is pretty good, just very light wear, light staining just from obviously it being used. And then just the general condition, obviously the little bit of filth and that on the bottom, but all that will come off pretty easy. It should fetch quite good money on this one, just mainly because of the colour rather than the size. Size 28 does fetch a good price anyway, but the colour will help it along as it's discontinued. You can buy the deep teal now, which is obviously a darker version of the original, but it's nice enough. There was someone out there that will want to add it to their collection, I would have thought. So another parcel that's wrapped up pretty well. This like walled bubble wrap stuff, solid, nothing really gets through it. But again, it's another size 28, so another very good size. It's in a blue rather than a teal this time, and obviously condition-wise you can see the difference. But no damage in terms of chips or the lids come bust or anything like that. But good size. You could get a large chicken in there with all the trimmings as a bit of like a centerpiece if you was cooking. But inside obviously had a lot more use, a lot more stains, etc. inside there. It'll all come off fairly easy. It's no issue. It makes for a little bit of a better before and after as well. But underneath and the outside is condition isn't bad. A little bit of damage here, tiny crack. Stuff like that on the Creuset. The pot is still pretty solid. Every time I do get one that's got a crack, even if it's all the way down, it's a bit bigger, I always fill them with water, leave them in a sink overnight or whatever to see, and nothing ever leaks out. So it's more cosmetic than anything. But that was the 2 rounds 28. Here's the 2 ovals on 27. I'll get the before and after pictures put up alongside the video so people can see what it is that they've come from, and then hopefully what they'll look like ready for resale. So there we go. That is the lot. We've got those 4 and obviously the egg thing. But I'm going to take a few pictures of the brown one because I'm interested to see how well that comes out. Hopefully get all the dirt from the outside. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.